Good evening. Welcome to Wily Wednesday. Yes, that's Wily Wednesday, a series by Richard and Paul. Richard and Paul since 2017. That's contractual. Anyway, welcome back to Wily Wednesday. And yes, I'm harping on about bicarbonate of soda yet again, but it's different this time. Yes. I'm using vinegar with it for a chemical reaction. No, let me start again. Let me explain why. There's method in my madness. Drain cleaning. Yeah, I know. It's incredible. You won't believe it. Our sink, the kitchen sink, this way, was a little bit slow. And I thought, oh God, it's blocked with probably a few peas and sweet corn and things like that, and a bit of rice maybe that's dropped down there accidentally. And I don't know about you, but in the past, we have used expensive bleaching drain cleaning products of a gel-like nature that go down, expand, and flush. And you have to use lots of water, and you're scared that you're ruining the environment and things like that. Well, I thought to myself, I'm going to try bicarb and vinegar, knowing that it reacts. So I did. I used some bicarbonate of soda and some distilled white vinegar. I put a tablespoon of bicarb down the plug hole and one down the overflow. It's a Belfast sink with one of those little handy overflows that you can put things down rather than those holes that you can't put anything into. So, tablespoon of bicarb down each. And then I poured neat white vinegar into each hole, and it fizzed like a bugger. It was good. Fizz, fizz, fizz. And I thought, well, that's all well and good, little fizzing going on, but have you done the trick? Well, I took some hot water, poured it down, and it ran clear immediately. I was astounded. So I've done every drain in the house, and they're all clear, beautifully clear. It clears grease, soap scum. But let me say one thing. It's completely useless mixing the two and putting it to one side as a cleaner, because it breaks down into, I think, like a salt solution, basically. So don't combine the two and store them. They're used in this fashion for the fizzing reaction. Yes, that's right. So try it. Try it to freshen your drains. Don't buy that horrible gel bleach thing, blob thing, that you put down the drain. Don't buy that. Don't use it. It's bad for the environment. I think it is. I know certain things do break down. I think bleach breaks down in the environment to a sort of salty solution. I'm not too sure on that, but I think certain ones do. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down to a harmless substance, and so does this. It's a win-win. Clear drains, clear conscience. Yeah, that's a new strapline. Clear drains, clear conscience. I love that. I'm keeping it and using it all the time. As you know I will. So, that's it for this week's Wily Wednesday. Welcome back, Wily Wednesday. Welcome. Bloody thank you for watching. And try it down your drains. It's going to work. I promise. I promise. Bloody promise. So anyway, goodbye, thank you, and we'll see you very soon for What will we see you for? Sunday chat on Sunday, and this week's podcast on SoundCloud. Thank you. Goodbye. Let me know how you get on.